Have you ever checked your bank account and wondered, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Most of us are losing money every single day, without even realizing it. Imagine for a second how much wealth you could build if you just stopped the leak. Today, we're going to reveal 10 ways you're losing money without realizing it and, more importantly, how to plug those holes and take back control of your financial future. From sneaky subscription fees to missed opportunities for investing, these are financial traps that could be draining hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars from your wallet every year. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop this silent theft and reclaim your hard-earned cash. Subscriptions you've forgotten about, the silent drainers. Number 1, forgotten subscriptions. This is a big one. In the digital age, it's easier than ever to sign up for subscription services. From streaming platforms to fitness apps, subscription boxes to software tools, the auto-renew feature is silently draining your bank account month after month. And according to a study, the average person spends over $200 a month on subscriptions, many of which they've forgotten. That's over $2,400 a year just on services you might not even be using. So, how do you stop this? Simple. Do a subscription audit. Go through your bank statements and look at all the recurring charges. Cancel anything you haven't used in the past month. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how much you can save by just trimming down these unnecessary costs. Eating out and impulse spending, the small, everyday drains. Number 2, eating out and impulse spending. It's easy to justify a cup of coffee here and a quick lunch out there, but these little purchases add up fast. The average American spends over $3,000 a year just on dining out. And if you're someone who enjoys spontaneous shopping, whether online or in store, those impulse buys can burn a hole in your pocket too. Sure, that $5 latte doesn't seem like much, but 5 days a week, 52 weeks a year? That's $1,300 gone. What if, instead, you brewed your own coffee or packed a lunch a few times a week? You could save hundreds of dollars without sacrificing your quality of life. Paying too much for insurance. Are you overinsured? Number 3. Overpaying for insurance. Insurance is a necessary expense, but how often have you shopped around for better rates? A lot of people stick with the same insurance provider for years without checking if they could be getting a better deal elsewhere. On average, people can save 15–30% on their insurance just by comparing rates from different companies. Take 30 minutes to shop around for better insurance quotes, and you could be saving hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars a year. Use comparison websites, talk to an independent insurance agent, and make sure you're not paying for coverage you don't need. A little effort can pay off big time. Credit card interest, the silent killer of wealth. Number 4, credit card interest. This is one of the most devastating ways people lose money. If you're carrying a balance on your credit card, you're likely paying 15–25% in interest. That's money that could be going towards your savings or investments. And according to a 2022 report, the average American household has over $6,000 in credit card debt. Imagine paying interest on that every month. To combat this, start by paying off your high-interest debts as quickly as possible. Consider transferring your balance to a 0% APR credit card or using the debt snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first, then roll those payments into your larger debts. The faster you get rid of credit card debt, the more money you save in the long run. Letting money sit in low-interest accounts, missed investment opportunities. Number 5, keeping your money in low-interest accounts. Sure, having money in a savings account feels safe, but if your money isn't working for you, it's essentially losing value over time. Inflation is rising at an average of 2–3% per year, but many savings accounts offer interest rates of 0.01%, meaning you're losing money without even realizing it. Instead of letting your money sit idle, consider investing it. Whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or even high-yield savings accounts, the key is to find ways to grow your money at a rate higher than inflation. Start small, but start smart. Not using cashback or rewards programs, free money left on the table. Number 6. Not using cashback or rewards programs. Every time you make a purchase without taking advantage of rewards, you're leaving money on the table. Whether it's through credit card rewards, cashback apps, or loyalty programs, these small percentages add up. On average, people can earn hundreds of dollars each year just by using cashback credit cards or apps like Rakuten and Honey. It might seem small, but over the course of a year, this free money can make a real difference in your budget. Just remember, only use rewards programs if you're paying off your credit card balance each month to avoid interest. Failing to automate savings. The lazy way to lose money. Number 7. Not automating your savings. One of the easiest ways to lose money is by not saving it consistently. If you're relying on willpower alone to transfer money into your savings or investment accounts, chances are you're not saving as much as you should. According to the Federal Reserve, nearly 40% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover a $400 emergency. But here's the good news: automating your savings can change that. Set up an automatic transfer each time you get paid, and you'll build your savings without even thinking about it. It's one of the easiest ways to build wealth. Ignoring tax deductions and credits. Losing money at tax time. Number 8. Ignoring tax deductions and credits. Every year, millions of people leave money on the table by not taking full advantage of tax deductions and credits they're eligible for. Whether it's student loan interest, retirement contributions, or charitable donations, missing these can cost you hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars. Make sure you're getting every deduction you deserve. If taxes confuse you, it might be worth hiring a professional or using software like TurboTax or H&R Block. A little preparation can save you big during tax season. Not investing in yourself. The cost of not growing. Number 9. Not investing in yourself. This might be one of the most expensive mistakes of all. Whether it's passing up on education, career development, or even your health, the cost of not investing in yourself can be huge. Studies show that individuals with higher levels of education and training tend to earn significantly more over their lifetimes. Whether it's taking that online course, learning a new skill, or even focusing on your physical well-being, investing in yourself pays dividends. Your future self will thank you. The hidden cost of procrastination. Waiting until it's too late. Number 10. Procrastination. It's easy to tell yourself you'll start saving tomorrow, invest next year, or get insurance later. But every day you wait is costing you. According to research, the longer you put off important financial decisions, the harder it becomes to catch up. Let's take retirement savings, for example. If you start saving $200 a month at age 25, you'll have over $500,000 by the time you retire. But if you wait until age 35, you'll only have about half that. The longer you wait, the more money you're losing. Take control of your financial future today. Now that you know the 10 ways you've been losing money without realizing it, it's time to take control. Whether it's canceling that forgotten subscription or finally paying off your credit card debt, these small changes can add up to big savings over time. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom.